Hey, how you doing, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm in Berlin. I'm going to be doing a tour of the hotel we're staying in, which is here behind me, which is the Leonardo Hotel. It's in an area of Berlin called Charlottenburg, just off Wilmersdorfer Straße. So we're going to go inside, take a look around the hotel, see what facilities they are. This hotel stay is part of a mystery Wowcher holiday that I've booked for myself and my son. There is a link in the description below to that video, but let's head inside to this hotel and we'll take a look around. So yeah, we're just going to head inside to the reception area. I've already checked in. Really easy check-in process, really nice and friendly staff. It's not a massive hotel, so you've got a bit of a seating and a waiting area to the left. Some refreshments over to the side there. And there's your check-in area. And over to the right-hand side is the bar. That doesn't open till later in the evening at 5:30. So we're going to head upstairs via the lifts, which are just to this left-hand side, and we'll go and take a look at the room. So head down this corridor and we'll get to our room. Smells nice as well in here, it's clean and fresh. So we're up on the second floor, room 239. So we're going to go and check out the room now. We've got a pretty good sized room. This was originally booked as a double room. Not realising that it was a double when I booked, so I did ask them at check-in if they would change it to a twin room, as this room is for me and my son. So as you can see there, they have changed it to 2 single beds. There's a bottle of water there with a couple of glasses, and something I've never ever seen before in a hotel is a melatonin sachet. So if you're struggling to fall asleep, that will surely do the trick. So from a view outside, not really much going on. A little bit of a car park there on top of some buildings, I think. So at the head of the beds, you've got a desk working space, telephone, and there is a tablet there so you can check out what's going on in the hotel with the restaurant and the bar area. Got some tea and coffee and a kettle there, and a decent sized TV there at the head of the bed. And just as you walk in through the main entrance, you've got a full length mirror. A load of space around here, it seems wasted really. Here you've got a little bit of a wardrobe, and then on the other side some more storage space. There's a safe, and then some other things there. A shoehorn. What's that? A vanity set, a sewing kit, and then I guess this is for laundry. And then round the side here, you've got your bathroom, which is usual typical sink. Some towels there. You've got the toilet, and then a shower, which looks decent size. Right, so that's the tour of the room. What we're going to do now is go downstairs. We're going to go and check out the bar area, and then in the morning I'm also going to go for breakfast in the hotel. So yeah, let's head downstairs. We'll go and get a drink in the bar. Okay, so I've headed downstairs. Behind me here is the bar, which is not a massive bar, but we're going to go and grab a drink. This bar is only open from 5:30 till it's either midnight or 1 AM. Can't remember exactly what they said at reception, but we're going to head over there, get a drink. So we've got a seat at the bar, got a beer here. This is a Big Burger, so it is a German beer. So for a So for this beer and a Coke for Harrison, that has cost a total of €10. So cheers everybody. That is lovely. Nice Pilsner. Cheers. So that is the Leonardo Hotel here in Berlin. I've enjoyed my stay here. It's a nice hotel. The rooms are really clean, comfortable beds. Quite a decent sized room as well. Maybe not so with the bathroom, but it does the job. Nice powerful shower. The water was always warm. Decent breakfast as well. Nice selection of hot and cold foods, typical drinks, soft drinks and tea and coffee. Down at the bar area, a decent selection of drinks there as well. Not the biggest of bars, so I can imagine at a weekend or in busy periods it does get a little bit crowded and packed down there, but did enjoy a couple of drinks down there over the couple of nights. So this hotel is around about a 20-30 minute train or tram ride outside of the city centre of Berlin. It's in an area called Charlottenburg. Really good transport network into the city centre. This hotel I booked via a Wowcher Mystery Holiday. So if you would like to see the video for that, you can click up here, or there's a link in the description below. And I do hope you've enjoyed the video. Please do leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.